What's up guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. So today I'm going to be going onto Canva and we are going to be telling you, I am actually, how to make your own YouTube thumbnail. So first of all you have to write YouTube thumbnail over, first of all you go to home, write YouTube thumbnail here. When it arrives, press on this, go to blank. And then you need to, let's see, okay. And then you pick a template, but if you don't want to pick that kind of, and you want to get a photo, for example, let's see, okay, like this. So like if you write blue, and then it'll come up here, and then you can just drag it onto here, and then you can like do that. Sometimes, mostly I do this because I can't find a template good enough, and it's actually really hard to find it. Probably you can't find it. Okay, so then when you've got this, you press this. It looks all normal. Now, if you're wondering why you can't write on it, then that's a transparency. You could get if you do 0, it'll just fade away. Like so 50 if you want to write it, so you should do like 50 or 40. No, not 40, 47 would be enough. So right now I'm gonna do it full so you guys can see. So after that, if you wanna like add some things on it, you need to go in photos. For example, if you want to get the sea, because it's a blue template, you can get it, like you can press on an image, it'll be here, you can like do that, and you can put it here. And it looks best when you like what should I say, it works best when you put it in that red line that it comes in. That's the best way to do it. Okay, for example, if you want to like put a title in there, then you can go to text, and then you can choose heading, and then for example, let's say the sea, because that's my topic, and then you can put it right up here, so it'll look good. Okay, and then you can also change the color of your text, like, wait one sec, okay, and then when you drag it like that, and then you can get some colors here. For example, if you want to make it like red so it stands out, you can, and then if you want to do it to the other parts, then you can keep doing this, and then eventually it'll work, which it's not working for me. Well, okay, this is how I now create stuff. For example, if you want to make a subheading at the side or like here, name it ocean example, and then you can add an exclamation mark or whatever, and then if you want to change this text too, then you can like do that, and then you can like, wait one sec, you can do that, and then you need to highlight this and whatever you want to make. If you're changing for colors, so you choose orange, perfect. And then if you wanna say oceans are, and if you wanna make it like stand out even more than this, then do this. Make it bold, and then you can do lots of stuff. Okay, and then okay. So you can write oceans, are water, ocean, and ocean is water, an ocean, watch this, has water in it, so sea creatures can live. It, wait one sec, this doesn't have auto spelling correcting, so let's see, it, okay, one moment, and then you can also write it, also gives humans water to drink. And then you can say to drink. No, there's also other ways. Okay. And then if you wanna like make this big so it can like fit the whole thing. So what you have to do is you have to put it here, and then you can add another image there saying something else. So there's lots of things you can. So that's it for today, guys. Bye and peace out. Goodbye.